When I first bought my Sony a7 III, I found it tricky to work out how to delete multiple images, so I thought I'd make this quick tutorial to show you how to delete single images and multiple images so that I can help other people with the steps that I found difficult. So to delete a single image, just press the little playback button on the bottom left, find the picture that you want to delete and click the bin button on the bottom right. Scroll up to delete and press the centre button, which is the same as pressing OK. So deleting multiple images is actually really easy, it's just that the function isn't very obvious on the camera. So what I wanted to be able to do was to navigate my photos like this by using the button on the top right that's like a zoom out button, and I wanted to then select my photos to delete them, but this doesn't seem to be a function on this camera. So all you need to do is scroll to one picture that you want to delete and press the menu button. And then on the menu, on the top menu bar, go to the little play button, which looks like a triangle, and it's called Playback 1. Here you'll find this delete button. Press on the centre button here, which means OK, and it gives you two options, to delete multiple images or all with the same date. So first of all, I'll do all with the same date, and then it says, do you want to delete all of the photos taken on this date? And you scroll to OK, and again press the centre button. This will delete all of the images that were taken on one day. If you want to delete multiple images from different days, then just click the menu button in the same way, and then click delete and choose multiple images. This will bring up a little tick box at the side of each photo. To select the photo, you just press the middle button on your keypad. This will put a tick in the box, meaning you want to delete this photo. Scroll along and tick the photos that you want to delete. Please double and triple check which photos you have ticked, because they are the ones that will be deleted, and I have no idea how to get back photos if you delete them by accident. Once you've decided that you have ticked all of the photos that you want to delete, press the menu button at the top and then press OK. I hope that that's been helpful. Again, please do not tick and delete any pictures that you don't want to, because I don't know how to get them back, but I just wanted to share what I'd learnt to try and help other people. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.